Everybody here is watching. Does you feel right? Like a dream come true. But if by chance you here alone, can I have a moment? 'Cause I've been by myself all night long. Hold me your soul. I used to know. Look like a moon. Sound like a song. My God is mine. From me we are. Let me photograph you in this light. It is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were scared of getting old. Made us restless. It's just like a movie. It's just like a song. I was so scared to face my fears, 'cause nobody told me. And that's where you overseas. That's what you said when you left me. Still look like a movie. Still sound like a song. My God is mine. When we were young, let me photograph you in this light. In case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were scared of getting old. Made us restless. It's just like a movie. It's just like a song. But here we are. But here we are. But here we are. But here we are. It's hard to win me back. Everything takes me back to you then. To you then. And a part of me holding on, just in case it isn't purpose. I still care. Do you still care? It's just like it's just like a song. Like candies reminds me of when we were young. When we were young. When we were young. When we were young. Oh, let me photograph you in this light. In case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were scared of getting old. It made us restless. Oh, I'm so mad of getting old. It makes me restless. It's just like a movie. It's just like a song. When we were young. Thank you po.
Very good. Oh my goodness. Ang ganda ng boses mo, Iha. Ang ganda, ang sarap pakinggan. Ang hindi siya masyadong mataas, hindi rin siya masyadong mababa. Nakatamtamang boses pero ang sarap pong pakinggan. Para akong nakikinig sa radio, hindi ako tumitingin sa sa aking phone kasi nagsusulat ako. Pero pag nakikinig ako, parang yung nakikinig lang ako ng live. Yun, ang ganda ng boses ko. Yun. Ay nako. Ayan, yan. Bigyan natin ng ating mga judges. Kayo na ang bahala dyan. Kasi tunaw na ako.
Yes po, parang ano lang po, kahit walang microphone, klarong-klaro po yung boses. Ayan, ang ganda po ng boses ni Etinil.
Salamat
Yes, yun. Sir Doji, ayan po, anong masasabi niyo sa atin? Ilang taon ka na kasi, Ma'am Etenil?
19 po.
Ay, para kang mukhang bata. Akala ko 12 years old.
Parang nasa ano pa lang, nasa below 15.
Akala ko
Mm.
12. Oh my God. Ano ba
90 na
yan?
pala.
Anong sekreto
19
niyo?
na pala. Tapos,
Uy, sana
ano pa,
ganyan din kami.
slim lang.
Ang galing. Ang galing. Ayan. Oh my goodness. Hirap na ako kasi halos magkukumpleto na itong
Mm-mm.
ating list.
Mm.
Actually, ayan, ang galing lang. No? So, dito naman sa Ma'am Etenil, if ever man na ikaw ay makapasok sa top 10, make sure lang, ito suggestion ko lang ha, na make sure on the next round, dapat ready na tayo sa lahat ng ating kasi hindi na pagbabasihan yung pure talent dito. Total package na yun. So,
Yes.
if ever lang na makapasok ka sa top 10, yan yung advice ko sa iyo.
Okay po.
Yes, kasi susundin na natin yung criteria na gagawin ni Ma'am Nets.
Yes. Thank you so much, Etenil. Ayan, meron ka bang gustong sabihin, Etenil? At meron ka bang gustong i-shoutout dyan?
Siyempre po, thank you so much po, ma'am, sa pag-contest na to kasi nabigyan na po kami ulit ng opportunity ng mga singers na mag-share po ng talent namin. And sa mga nakakakilala po sa akin dyan and mga sumusuporta, hello po sa inyong lahat. And ano po, shoutout po pala sa lola ko na nandito.
I
ngayon
love
sa
you.
tabi ko.
Ayan, I
Yeah.
love you. Ayan,
Shout
ang sweet ng bata.
out, Lola.
Oh my God.
Shout sa'yo, Lola.
Shoutout sa
Lola.
Lola na sumusuporta sa ating Ipagpatuloy mo yan. Hello po. Hello, Lola. Ayan.
Hello po.
Ipagpatuloy mo yan dahil
Magandang gabi po.
malayo ang iyong mararating sa sa larangan ng musika. Ayan po. Thank you so much. Ayan, magpapaakyat po tayo para